So we're going to set up the double circle gymnastic rings today. All right, so I like having the numbers in the correct position, facing forward, the way you can legibly read it. And we're gonna yeet these over some type of tree, banister. I use the banisters in my garage. So we're just gonna yeet these right over, keep them straight, just like that. Okay. And for the second one, oh, that was a fail. Wow. Okay. And if you see here, it's twisted. It doesn't really matter if it's twisted, but if you're OCD, you wanna fix that. So get up on something. If you're at a park and it just so happens to be twisted, kind of SOL there. But have them nice and even to start out. So depending on the exercise, the height of the rings is going to depend, right? So if I'm setting up for gymnastic dips or ring dips, I'm going to do it about chest, shoulder height for me. So this is one thing you got to just play around with. So I'm going to bring this carabiner down to about chest height with me, and that'll change the number as you see. So that's going to change the number. I'm going to set it to some chest height 11 to make it easy. See the 11 there? So I'm going to come up in here. I'm going to hook the ring in. Okay? Just like that. It's right at chest height. Okay? So for the second ring, we're going to make it even. So our second ring here, we're going to bring this down to 11. Okay? Perfect. Awesome. So they're both at 11, and they're both even here. Set your desired width however you want. For dips, I like to be about shoulder width. What about these things here? What are we going to do about these? So I'm going to feed these through, and then I'm going to wrap around at the very top up here. Doesn't matter where you put them, just somewhere out of the way. Just like you see here. It takes some practice, but you'll get it. Just like that. Just make sure everything's nice and even if you'd like to. That's how to set up your rings for gymnastics. Or at least ring dips in my opinion. Or what I'm about to do. And you can scale it however you want. If you want to do ring rows, set them a bit lower. If you want to do pull-ups, set them a bit higher. And that's how you set up your gymnastic rings. And I do really like the quality of the double circle ones. I've put some wear and tear on these like you see here. The number's really nice. The fabric's really good. Just overall like this brand, not affiliated, just sharing with you the ones I use. It's called Double Circle. I think I got them on Amazon. Good stuff. Appreciate you guys. See you next time.